Hey, also for my next project review, this is the other bottle drying rack I have. I actually have the whole cleaning set, so it comes with a brush. It looks like a toilet brush, guys, but it's not. It's a bottle brush. I actually saw a video that the guy used it for the toilet. Lady had just bought it bottles, so he thought it was a new toilet brush. So it's a bottle brush, and it also has the little parts that go with it that can get in the nooks and crannies. I have 3 other little scrub things go with it. But this is the drying rack that I love. It's so much shorter. It's not as compact, which I don't care. I had so many bottles and so many pump parts that were drying all the time, so I didn't mind. Little things went in here, and it just sat there, and then I would put, like, the nipples here for the bottles. I would put the bottles. I would put my pump parts back here. So it's so much shorter. It's definitely sturdier. Like, it's a very hard plastic, so it's much sturdier than the Munchkin. This is OXO pot, so that's the brand. I will have the link in my bio and in the description down below, but this was the best drying rack. Absolutely. Thanks.